Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I have sort of a random pack opening. I went to Target this morning. I really had the urge to open some stuff, so it looked like they just restocked, but as you can see here, there wasn't anything really that crazy. So this is a lot of lower end stuff, but still it is product, and I do like to rip cards whenever I can. And even though we might not get a lot of stuff, it's still fun to do, still enjoy the hobby. So like I mentioned, I got all this at Target this morning. Total cost was about $56 with tax. Pretty crazy because there's not a lot here, honestly. We have an Absolute Blaster, which was about 25. This 2022 Series 1 hanger, which was 10. And then each of these fat packs here were about $7 each. So a little bit mix of everything here, but just hoping for anything cool and just kind of enjoying ripping whatever we can. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to start with these hoops packs here. And we'll just see what we got here. I have not opened any hoops at all, so like I said, anything I can open, I'm happy about. A lot of bass in this. A lot of bass. Lights, Camera, Action, Zach Levine. Skyview, CJ McCollum. Class of 2021, Zaire Williams. And a pretty nice looking Tyrese Halliburton. That is the Teal Explosion. Pretty cool looking card. We got a nice Evan Mobley rookie. Scotty Lewis, Moses Moody, Alperen Sengun, Sharif Cooper, and Bones Highland. All right, check out the next one. Yeah, I don't really like naming off all the base cards. I just think it takes too long. Nobody really cares too much about the base unless it's the first time it's being opened. It's a new release. Just my opinion. Skyview, Paul George. Pure Players, Luka Doncic. We have a purple, Marvin Bagley. Nice Kessler Edwards. That's our teal. Quentin Grimes, Greg Brown III. Oh, there we go, Cade Cunningham. All right. One of the top rookies to get. An Io and Day'Ron Sharp. And we'll put our nicer cards up here. Put that Cade Cunningham. Totally forgot about the Franz Wagner card as well. Okay. So that takes care of NBA hoops. Nothing too crazy. Cade Cunningham rookie and our two teals. Let's move over to 2021 contenders. We're looking for that retail exclusive Emerald Parallel. Again, this one's got a lot of bass in this as well. All right, coming down to the end of the base here, we got a winning ticket, Darren Waller, a Rookie of the Year, Josh Palmer, Chain Movers, Devontae Adams, and a Gladiators, Andre Johnson. So really nothing much in there at all. But that's to be expected with some of this lower end stuff here. All right, let's go with Top Series 1. Hanger box here. We're looking for an autograph, a relic, anything of that sort. A lot of base. We're just going to roll through. Oh, here we go, Wander Franco. Got a couple of my Brewer guys in here. Big Brewer fan. Max Muncy, Home Run Challenge. We have a blue David Price. That one is not numbered. George Brett, Stars of the Future. Brian Hayes, Luis Robert, Christian Yelich. Welcome to the show, Buster Posey. And then again, just a lot of base, some rookies mixed in. So nothing really here. Again, but that's okay. Still fun to rip. Still fun to open some cards. Can't complain too much. All right. Last one, we got an Absolute Baseball 2022 blaster box here. Again, we're looking for an auto or a mem. One per box on average. Okay, here we go. 7 cards in each pack. By Storm, Mookie Betts. Green, Gil Hodges. Here we go. Got a Gavin Sheets auto out of 99. 91 out of 99. Gavin Sheets. Wow. There we go. Nice. I'll take it. Jose Ramirez, green. Historical Duels, Whit Merrifield, green, and nothing too much after that. Jose Altuve, Stream Team Luis Robert, great. Nothing too much in that pack. Last pack here. Icons, Jimmy Fox, All-Worthy Mike Trout, Corey Seager. And that will do it. So Our teal Tyrese. It's pretty cool. I really like the design on that. That's really cool. We have a Kessler Edwards rookie teal from Hoops. Our Cade Cunningham rookie from Hoops. Our Wander Franco, which I know he's injured right now. He's not doing so hot, so value of his cards are really going down, but still kind of cool to have just in case things start to go back up for him. But really nice hit here. Gavin Sheets. Rookie signatures, 91 out of 99 here. Pretty cool looking card. Best hit of the opening so far. So definitely not going to make our money back on this one, but it's still pretty cool. Really enjoy opening it. So if you guys like the video, please give a like. Please subscribe. I'm hoping to grow the channel here so I can keep opening cards. But with that, thanks for watching and have a great day.